Hi everyone, it's Brad. Today we're taking a look at Quizlet Plus, which uses artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead and take a look right here. You can see where you can start an essay, generate flashcards, meet your tutor, as well as generate a quick summary and get expert solutions. So let's get started very quickly here. We're going to select generate. Right up there you can see you can paste your text. You can go from a computer or Google Docs. We're going to go from a file here, which you're going to select this. And this one right here, we're going to start transforming. You can see what it's going to do. Okay, so here, just from those notes, the layers of the Earth's atmosphere, you can see where you can simplify if you'd like to. You can go ahead through and see an outline. You can go ahead and view more and go ahead through and see the notes put into a nice outline, as well as go ahead and check out some flashcards and then some sample essay questions. And you can start a conversation to go through where the QChat would help you with studying. Okay, let's go through a few more. So you can essay starter, which is great for students. I just did this one right here about baseball, and it just asked, hey, when and where did it start? Who started it? So now we're going to go ahead through, and you come up topic, some great ideas. Let's build out a main opinion based on your work so far. So you go ahead through, and you start writing, and it is a nice companion to have. Now let's go back a little bit more here. You can certainly generate flashcards. You can certainly generate flashcards right away just from your notes, or you can type them in, as well as generate a quick summary and get expert solutions. I'm going to just select right here just to show you this right here of what you can do. So you can find textbook solutions and go ahead through and you can browse by subject. So really helpful to have. Of course, you can always come right up in here. Homework helper, essay starter, which we just showed, and you can upload your notes, as well as go back into your library from things you worked on in the past. There you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.